Hello everyone. Today we will do CFT walkthrough of pen testing 1 round 1. So let's start. So first we will check the IP of my machine. It's 192.168.14.3. So it's on the local host adapter. So let's quickly do the net discover for ETH1. By running this, we will able to see that which all machines are up on this range. So it will quickly scan all the network range and it will give you a output. Okay, so we found that we have one VM running 192.168.14.5. So this is the virtual machine where this CSES basic pen testing 1 VM is running. So let's start quickly. First we will scan all the ports on machine to check which all ports are listening, to check the services running on those ports. So let's do it quickly. Let's run nmap. So nmap will take 5 to 7 seconds because we have done an aggressive scan. Let's wait for the output. Oh, here come the output. So let's quickly analyze which all ports are open and which all services are running on these ports. So we have port 21 open, Pro FTPD 1.3.3C. We have open SSH on 22 port, and we have some web server running on port 80. Apache HTTPD 2.4.18. So let's do one thing. Do the let's run derb on this port to see. Before doing that, let's quickly see what is running on this port on web server. So let's open Firefox. Sorry about my machine, it's little bit slow. Okay, so Firefox is open. Let's sorry let's paste that IP. That's 192.168.14.5. So let's sorry guys, my machine is a little bit slow. Oh, so here it's works. So web server is running. So let's quickly do robot .txt if there is any directories or files are there in that file. That's not there. So let's do one thing. Let's again go to the terminal and we'll do directory derb. Let's run derb to scan the directories on this web server. So let's start with Dub, and it's very quick. And here we found that something is running in the directory secret. Oh, we have WP admin, so that means that WordPress is running on this web server. Good. So let it finish. Let's see what else we get. So it's running. Okay, so it's done. So we found that there is some WordPress server running on this web server. So let's analyze. Let's go to the first one. Okay, let's open this and see what is running on that. And sorry about my machine, it's little bit slow, I don't know why. Okay, so my secret blog. So it's a WordPress site, and let's try login. So we will first try to attempt with admin user, because most of the time the default user is admin and people are generally don't change that. Again, sorry for my machine, it's little slow. Let's wait till it's open. Ouch. Okay, so the IP is redirected to VTC SAC. So okay, so it's redirecting to a host name, and we don't have that host name present, so that's why page is giving a error. So what we can do is that we can put a entry in our etc host with our machine IP and VTC SAC. So let's quickly do that. So we have added an entry for hostname VTC SAC in etc host. Let's see that. So it's there. So good, good to go. Let's go again on web browser and try again. Oh, it's open. So as I said, we will first do a scan with admin user. We don't know what is the password, so we'll try to do with a word list. So I will do the WordPress scan on this blog. Let's do that. Sorry, it's little bit slow, unresponsive. Just wait for a moment. Okay, so we are doing a WordPress scan with URL and username admin and a password word list, and we have given a content directory, and we have given max threads. So let's start. So I have a habit to first uh, write all the commands on notepad so that there are no mistake in commands. Okay, so admin user, so so there is a admin user there because it's saying that password for admin is incorrect. Okay, good. So we have user admin, that's confirmed, and our WordPress scan is running. Let's wait for some time. It's completed almost. Okay, success. So we have a success that there is a user admin and password is also admin. Valid combination found. Great. Let's go and log in. Good. So I will not use any such tool. Will try to do it manually. I will not do it in round one with Metasploit or any other tool. What we will do is that we will take reverse shell because WordPress is running in PHP. So I have downloaded a PHP reverse shell in my tools. So what we can do is that we can go to the themes. Just wait. Let's go to the tools. So here I have downloaded a PHP reverse shell. You can also download it from internet. If you want, I can give this in my description. So I'm doing it manually. So let's do one thing. Let's open it in a editor in my Kali machine. Okay, here it's open. Let's select all, copy. Now we have reverse shell copied. Let's go to the Firefox, go to the themes, and active theme is 2017. Great. Let's go and edit. Click on editor and we have 2017. Let's go to 404.php and we have select all, delete, and then paste our reverse shell and save it. Before saving, let's change our local host IP. This is my Kali IP. I have to change it. So that's 192.168.14.3, I think, because we have seen first. Yeah, it's 3 and port is 1234. Let's do one thing. Yeah, my IP, it's confirmed. So IP is 192.168.14.3 and port we have given 1234. Let's leave it that. So let's start as listener on one machine. Sorry, on the terminal. Before doing that, let's update this file and let's go to the terminal. So everything is okay here. Let's run nc. Okay, so now we are listening on port 1, 2, 3, 4. So if any machine trying to connect on this port, it will connect with my Linux, Kali Linux. So I'm trying to do it as manual as I can. I'm not using any such tool. So let's search the theme path, and I have seen that theme path, and we were having theme 2017, I think. Yeah, right. So we got this path. So let's do one thing. Let's let's open 404.php from my path. Okay, here it's started the reverse shell. Let's see if we got anything on my terminal. Oh, great! We have exploited this, and we have now shell, and the host name is vtcsec. Good. So let's see what is running in this. Okay, we have files, systems. Good, good, good. So now we have to escalate our privileges. So what we can do is that let's see if anything, any misconfiguration in this machine. So doing that, we need some tool. We can download that. I have already downloaded. So it's Unix privilege check. I have downloaded it, already downloaded it. So let me give you that path of this tool. You can download from this URL. Sorry about my machine, it's slow. You can download from this link. So let's start again. So first we have to copy this tool to our host. So let's quickly run a Python HTTP server on port 80 so that we can download this tool on my target host. Oh, sorry, it's path is wrong. I think yes, path was wrong because it was in a folder. So let's do it again. The correct path is this. So it was in folder. So let's download it, and it's downloaded. Great. Let's see this. Let's first change the permission so that we can execute this. Oh, my bad typing. Let's quickly run this tool. So the, here the usage we have to run either with option standard and detail or detailed. So let's run again with standard first, and the long output. Let's analyze the output. We are searching for a warning for any misconfiguration. So I'm scrolling it up that if we found any misconfiguration or issues so that we can exploit that. Let's quickly do that. I have not found till anything. And here I found that a warning etc pass WD is critical config file word writable. So that's mean that we as an unprivileged user we can also write in this file, and the permission it is that it is having permission to write from for everyone, so we can also write in this file. So let's quickly check it, and what we can do is we can generate a password hash, and then we can paste it in this file. So let's quickly get this file. So first let's generate a password hash. So I'm typing password test 123, and we have a password hash. So what we need to do is that we have to add this password hash against the root user in etc passwd file. To do that, let's do one thing. Let's open a editor here on my Kali machine, and what I can do is that I can copy this pass etc passwd file, all the users, and let's paste it in my Kali text pad editor. So we have pasted this. Now what we have to do is that we have to take that password hash and we have to change in this file. So we'll replace X with password hash so that we can able to log in with this password test123. So let's quickly copy this and let's copy this and save this on my Kali machine. Let's run a Python server so that we can get this file on target machine. I have tried to change this file on target machine but was not able to do that. So let's again run this reverse shell and we have access, and what we let's run the shell because it's saying cannot access TTY. So we have a bash shell now. Let's go to temp and we'll download that file from my Kali machine to here in temp. Oh, my bad, I have pasted. Let's download our file passwd, and we have downloaded this. So what we need to do is that we have to copy this file over etc passwd because that's a word writable file and we can copy over that because that's open for everyone for writing. So we've done that. We copied, and now let's try with our password test123, and here we have root access. Thank you guys. If you like it, you can subscribe my channel and press like button. I will come with round 2 of this machine with more exploits. Thank you very much.